Now, let's say we really like the way a section on our page looks, and we might want to reuse it again later. We can do this really easily by saving it as a template. For example, let's save this 5-image gallery as a template. The easiest way to do this is to open up the Structure panel, select the container that you want to save as a template, right-click it, and then click Save as a Template. You'll be prompted to give your template a name. Name it something descriptive. In my case, 5-image gallery. Then we'll click Save. And you'll be taken straight to a new Templates tab. The template is here with our name, 5-image gallery, the creation date, the type, and we can click Preview to see how it looks. There it is. Let's close out this tab and this pop-up. And then click the plus to add a new section. If you click the folder icon, you'll open up the Elementor library, and under the Templates tab, you can see your new template. And you can click Insert and Apply to add it to the page. Voila! Not only now can we add it to this page, but we can add this same template to other pages.